Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yesmien. This is a story all about chapatti. Do you know what a chapatti is? Chapatti is flat bread cooked with wheat flour. Are you ready to go on a journey with the chapatti? The Lonely Chapatti. One day in a small village called Mirpur, an old woman was cooking chapatis. She peered into a hot tandoor oven. Inside the tandoor oven, Chapati was very happy and very excited because she was almost cooked and soon would be ready to eat. Being eaten and making someone not be hungry was the dearest wish of all chapatis. The old woman picked up her tongs and carefully turned Chapati's friends around to make sure they were all perfectly cooked. But the old woman's eyes were not very sharp, and Chapati, who was at the very back of the oven, tandoor oven, did not get turned. The hot tandoor was getting too hot. Chapati began to worry. Don't forget to turn me, cried Chapati. But the old woman did not hear. When the old woman emptied her oven and saw Chapati, she picked her up and gasped in horror. Oh, no, 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 I can't give this to my husband, she said. You are misshapen and burnt. She threw Chapati far away up into the air. Up, and down, down, down flew Chapati until she landed in a bush far away from all the other chapatis. It was dark and prickly in the bush. Ouch! Ouch! cried Chapati. Please, somebody help me. I am all alone and I am scared. Nearby, a dog was busy sniffing. Sniffing, sniff, sniff, sniff. Woof, 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 barked the dog as he sniffed Chapati. Please take me with you. It is very dark in this bush and I am scared and lonely. Will you eat me? I am slightly misshapen with few dark freckles, but I am a yummy chapati. Woof, 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 barked the dog. I can't eat you. You are not round or soft. You are a smelly burnt chapati. The dog picked up Chapati and threw her up into the air. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh! Chapati flew up, and then down, 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 and landed in a wheat field. A little girl was cutting the wheat. Little girl, please take me with you. I am scared and lonely. Will you eat me? I am slightly misshapen with few dark freckles. I think I have become a bit smelly. But I will taste yummy mixed with more of your wheat. The little girl looked at Chapati and picked her up. You should be good for my goat, she said, and placed Chapati in her basket full of wheat. The little girl carried the basket on her head. She skipped home, bumpety bump, bump, up and down the hills she went. The little girl didn't look where she was going and tripped over a stone. Chapati went flying down the hilly path, down, 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 spinning around and round and round and around till she landed flat on the ground. Nearby, a little boy was playing with marbles. Little boy, Please will you dust me off and eat me? I am little misshapen with some dark freckles. I am slightly smelly and dusty now, but I'm sure I will taste yummy. Go away, Chapati. I am playing a game. You are far too dusty with dark freckles and you are misshapen with a burnt smell. I can't eat you. He picked Chapati up and spun her like a frisbee. Spin, spin, spin went the Chapati into the air. Up, 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 and down, 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 and landed on a moving rickshaw. Bumpity bump, bumpity bump, rickety rick, tooty toot, over the pebbles out of Mirpur and up the mountains travelled the rickshaw. Oh, Chapati became drier and drier with the heat as the rickshaw raced around sharp bends. Oh, 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 oh! No, the rickshaw was going far too fast, and as it sped around another bend, Chapati was thrown off the rickshaw. Up, 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 spinning, 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 down, 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 and around and around and around. Faster and faster flew Chapati and landed in a lake. Oh no, I am getting wet in the water, cried poor little Chapati. Just then, Chapati saw a man rowing his small boat. Please, sir, can you help me? I am getting far too wet and I don't want to drown. I am slightly misshapen, burnt, smelly, dusty, dry, and now a little wet. But I'm sure I will taste delicious. Will you eat me? The old man picked up Chapati and held her gently. He thought and thought and thought, as old men think a lot. Oh dear Chapati, I can't eat you. It would be far too greedy of me to eat you all by myself. I am a poor hungry man, but I have to share you with my hungry children waiting for me at home. But you can't. How can that be possible? Cried Chapati in surprise. I am so small. I am one misshapen, burnt, smelly, dusty, wet Chapati. Even though I am sure I shall taste yummy. The boat arrived at the far side of the lake, and the old man's children ran to meet him. You look wonderful and good enough to eat, said the old man. I will gently, calmly, slowly divide you into equal parts, and with my children, eat you up my yummy, scrummy chapati. You are tickling me, laughed Chapati, as the old man gently tore equal amounts for his children to eat. Ah, said the old man to the Chapati as she lay in the tummies of his family. You may have been a little misshapen, a little bit burnt, a little bit dusty, a little bit smelly, a little bit dry, and then a little bit wet. But it is true. You are definitely a very yummy chapati. The end. I hope you enjoyed the Lonely Chapatti.